What's up, y'all? I'm about to do a little investigation slash POV. I mean, I posted on my story. I have an exhaust leak by my flex pipe. It don't sound too bad. I mean, it's bad, like exhaust flow and, you know, it's a freaking exhaust leak. But, you know, right now we're about to go get some gas. I'll use that good. I don't know if I can hear me, bro. Everything's so loud. Yeah, in my area, this is the cheapest gas. There's a gas station by my house. It's like $4.02. Another one's like $4.04. So, you know, I just come here. It's not that far of a drive. I put like 21 bucks in because I'm kind of broke. But I'm gonna go take it to the shop, just kind of see what it's looking like. And yeah, then after that, then we'll do a little POV drive. Yeah, you can kind of hear that. Like, I'll rev it up. Nice little burbles. You can hear like the turbo whistle too. All right, I will see y'all at the shop. Oh my God! All right, so boom, we got the car on the lift. And as you can see, where it's at, right? Why my flash not on? There, I got the flash on. You can see right there.
Lord have mercy.
That's where it's at. That's the flex pipe. The other one looks fine. At first, when I first heard it, I thought it was something with my resonator, but my resonator is fine. Then it just goes pipe, and then I did a muffler delete, so that's fine. Yeah, that just seems to be like the only problem. All right, so let's put the car down, and we'll be back on the road. All right, boom, we're back. I'm just gonna do a little video, and then I'm gonna switch over to nighttime. It's kind of windy out, so I don't know how well you'll be able to hear this stuff. But I'm surprised that like little crack makes this much of a difference. Sometimes you can even hear the burbles. So maybe roll the back windows down a little bit. But I'm gonna get it fixed hopefully by this weekend. It definitely echoes through here. Oh, buddy got the TRX. Alright, there's a mini tunnel right here, so bro, move over, bro. Come on. Alright, let me roll these windows up. It's getting too cold for this. Even with the windows up, you can even still hear the spool sound. It's audible, but it's nothing crazy. There's this place in Mexico that I'm gonna go hit up in a little bit. So look, I have a little snow pit, and I have my my trash control disabled in game. So we're gonna go hit that up. I don't know how well you can hear those downshifts. Especially when you leave it in gear and you just kind of like let off. I don't know if you can hear, how well you can hear those, but it just burbles. Like if you just like that and you let off, it's little burbles. Even when I just did the muffler delete, it still burbled. Also, I will be doing more POV videos with this car, especially when it gets nicer outside and I can have like the windows down without it being like 20 degrees. I will also be doing a video on my cold air intake once I get it. Hopefully, I want to get it by like spring / summertime. That's when I want to start doing my mods, because my two main are my cold air intake and my chrome delete. I want to just black out everything, and I might paint the wheels like a darker gray. I'll put up a photo. Bro, why are my shoes so squeaky? Even just like that. Like, I'm barely tapping the gas, you can already hear them. All this wind noise. Man, y'all hear that shift? So here's a spot where I want to get a thumbnail. Somewhere over here. Got some snow here. Right here. I want to get a thumbnail right here. In this snowy kind of area here. No grip. See if we can do a power slide here. Yeah, right there. Alright, quick thumbnail, because I gotta be home. There we go. That's fire. Something like that. Let's head back. I'm about to head home, and I will see y'all at nighttime. So switch the camera, here we go. Boom, as y'all can see, it is nighttime. Still got the exhaust leak, but it's nighttime. About to go hit up the highway, and yeah, bro, let's go. Seatbelt first. Even though this is Forza gameplay, you always put your seatbelt on. Bro, oh my gosh. It was. Oh well. We're about to come up to this underpass, so y'all already know what time that is. Here we go. Holy cow. Now I know why y'all go catalyst with these things, bro. So I could just hear those turbos scream. Oh my gosh. Oh, those downshifts, bro. It's so windy today. Oh my gosh. Damn. Ooh, that was kind of trash. I got a rev match on first. Bro, did y'all hear that, bro? Oh my. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the video there. This is just a short video. Car meet videos will be back up eventually. Obviously, it's December. Ain't nobody doing car meets. Hopefully, if somebody, you know, trying to pull a winter car meet, I'm down. But like and subscribe. Follow my Instagram too. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.